Imagine there is a tool that can promote your blog articles on social media channels forever. Yes, that tool exists, and I'm going to show you that tool in today's video. Before we jump into it, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. So let's take a look at this tool. It's called AI content. So it takes your blog article or blog articles and then promote them on your Facebook, on your Twitter, on your LinkedIn forever on autopilot. So you don't have to do any work once you set up the campaign. So let me show you more about this tool. Here's how this works. So you connect your social media account. So let's say you want to promote on Facebook and Twitter, you're going to connect those. Then you're going to import the blog links. So if you're writing blog articles, there's the links of those. And then this tool, AI content, will share your content on those social media channels on autopilot. And you can say, hey tool, promote my blog article for like 3 months or 6 months or like 12 months, right? So you can pick the time frame. So this acts like a VA for you and promotes your content on the autopilot. So let me show you this tool. Let's look at the pricing. And by the way, the good news is, so here's the pricing tiers. And the good news is, yes, I am an affiliate for this product, this tool, and I'm going to have a link in the description. Check out that link. And you're going to see that you can get the lifetime deal. And if you use my link, you don't have to. It's totally up to you. You can just go directly buy the tool. But if you use my link in the description, you're going to save 20% on the lifetime deal. So don't pay monthly, don't pay lifetime, even save on the lifetime deal if you use my link. So that's a special I have with this tool. But I absolutely love the automation tools. Why? Because it saves us so much time. So let's log in and let me show you how this tool works on the inside. So once you log in, you're going to see the dashboard on the left hand side, and this is where you will connect your social media accounts: Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn. I already have some of my accounts connected. Here's my Twitter handle. So once you do that, here's what we're going to do. Let's go and get a link of a blog article. So I'm going to go to my website, which is right here, isocialu.com blog. And then let's just copy any blog article. So there you go. Let's just copy that. So I'm going to copy the URL of this blog article. Let's go back to the tool AI content. And we're going to go inside campaign. So let's create a new campaign. I'm going to import. And now let's put the URL. This is the URL of my blog article, and hit import. And now it's going to take a couple of seconds. It can take, depending on your internet speed. There you go, it's done. Few seconds. So first of all, here's the URL, and then it suggests different hashtags based on the content you have used. Obviously, go through this. If these make sense, great. If they don't, then you can delete these hashtags. And also, let's say if you want to add something like a hashtag that's relevant to your content, you can do it. So these hashtags will be added to the post that this tool created. Here's something that I love about this tool. So there was one, if you notice, there's one image on that article, right? But you probably don't want to, all the posts that you create for, let's say, over the period of 3 months or 6 months, you don't want to use the same image, right? So here's something really cool. You can add more, and now you can go to Unsplash, and then let's see if I search for Instagram. So this tool integrates with Unsplash, and you can just add multiple images. How cool is that, right? So I'm going to add a bunch of these images, hit close, and now it's going to use all of these images for my social media posts. Amazing. Let's scroll down. And now this is where you can schedule your campaign. You know, what's the start date? And then how long do you want the campaign to run? 12 months, 6 months, 4 weeks, you know, whatever. Let's go for 6 months. And then how many posts it's going to have. So it has like 16 posts. You can always kind of, you know, if you want, you can change it. You can do custom instead of all this. It's totally up to you. And now here's the other thing. Here's everything. These are the quotes that this tool read from my article. Here you go. So leave the quotes that we extracted in the next step. So you'll be able to edit these in the next step. But let's say if you wanted to exclude something, you can just click on exclude and delete that, or just delete. Or if you want to move something up, you can move these around. But these are the quotes that this tool read from your article. So this tool is actually creating content for you, right? It's really, really cool. And then scroll down, here's all other examples. So if you wanted to exclude something, let's say I don't want this, it's gone, but I want, let's just, this one, so it added that one, right? So you can play with these. And now let's click on build campaign. Now we're gonna go to next step. And there you will be able to edit. Let's say if you don't like this text because the AI generated this text, but maybe you don't like it, maybe you want to make some changes, you can do it. So here's the, before you start your campaign, make sure you review everything. So this is the last step. Here's all the posts that it created, the hashtags, the image it's using. And let's say, and I always say, whenever you use the AI tools, I love them, the automation, I love it because it saves so much time, but always review it. Because sometimes, the AI, the tool may say something that you don't like it. So always review it, edit this, click on edit, and you can all, make changes. Really, really cool. Scroll all the way down and make sure you review everything. All the images are good, hashtags are good. The copy, most importantly, you want to review the copy and make sure that's okay. And then once you're happy with everything, click on start campaign and boom, everything will be scheduled on these dates, 16 posts, and I have to do nothing from that point onward. So this tool read my blog article, wrote the content, and now it's going to promote my content consistently over the period of, I believe I selected 6 months, but you can select whatever time frame you want. So this tool is promoting and publishing your blog articles on social media channels forever. How cool is that? Let me know if you have any questions. And again, I'm going to have a link in the description below. I am an affiliate for this tool, and with my link, you'll save 20% on the lifetime deal. So you're not going to pay $79 for lifetime. You're going to save on that as well. Any questions? Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.